Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a great product we found that's perfect for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, the Bonnlo 2-burner portable gas grill. We've included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this grill stand out. The Bonnlo 2-burner grill features a powerful 20,000 BTU U-shaped stainless steel burner, providing robust and even heat distribution. Whether you're skewering some veggies at 180 degrees Fahrenheit, broiling steaks at 275 degrees Fahrenheit to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, or grilling your favorite foods, this grill has you covered. Plus, with the built-in thermometer, you can monitor temperatures in real time, ensuring that every meal is cooked to perfection. One of the best aspects of this grill is its ultra-portable design. With foldable legs and a compact, sturdy build, it fits seamlessly in your car trunk, making it an excellent choice for camping trips, beach picnics, backyard gatherings, or even patio meals at home. No matter where your adventures take you, this grill allows you to enjoy delicious BBQs on the go. Convenience is a key highlight with the Bonnlo grill. It features a quick and easy ignition system. Just twist the control knob to the ignite position, and the burner fires up instantly. This means no fumbling with matches or lighters, even in breezy outdoor conditions. You'll spend less time setting up and more time enjoying good food in good company. When it comes to cleaning, the Bonnlo grill shines again. Constructed from rust-resistant stainless steel, it stands up to outdoor wear and tear, ensuring that it lasts for many seasons. The slide-out grease collector captures drippings and residues, allowing for a quick wipe down after your barbecue session. This means you can say goodbye to the tedious scrubbing that often comes with grilling and spend more time enjoying meals with your loved ones. The spacious 210 square inches of cooking surface is another fantastic feature, providing ample space to prepare a variety of foods at once. Whether you're cooking for small or medium groups, this grill can handle it: steaks, sausages, veggies, you name it. The ergonomic handle also makes it easy to carry, so you can take it wherever you need to go. Overall, the Bonnlo 2-burner portable gas grill is perfect